Choosing the right design style is a crucial part of building or buying your dream house. It's a decision that affects not only the aesthetic appeal of your home, but also its functionality, maintenance, and overall comfort. With so many styles to choose from, narrowing down your options can feel overwhelming. Hi, I'm Tony Alonzo with AV Architects and Builders. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what defines traditional craftsman and modern contemporary homes, empowering you to choose a style that's right for you. Let's break down the key features, materials, and design principles of these two popular home styles. We're going to be running through a lot of information, but we'll leave a link to our Learning Center in the description below where we have an article covering this same topic. That being said, let's get started with the traditional craftsman style. This style is known for its use of natural materials, creating a warm and inviting ambiance. If you love the beauty of natural stones, granites, and woods, this style might appeal to you. However, it's important to note that these materials require regular maintenance, like sealing countertops and caring for wooden surfaces. Traditional and craftsman homes often feature countertops made from natural stones like granite, which are known for their durability and unique patterns. These countertops need to be sealed periodically to maintain their appearance and functionality. In a traditional craftsman home, you'll find tiles with a lot of texture, such as travertine or marble. These materials add a touch of luxury and intricacy to the home's design but require careful upkeep. The cabinetry in traditional and craftsman homes is detailed and often made from stained or painted wood. This style emphasizes craftsmanship and quality, with intricate designs and fixtures that add character to the space. Windows in traditional and craftsman homes are typically adorned with mullions, muntins, and shutters, contributing to their charming and traditional look. The layout of a traditional and craftsman home usually features rooms of the same size, arranged in a grid pattern, with the stairs centrally located. This layout can include level changes like sunken living rooms or conversation pits, adding a dynamic element to the space. Traditional craftsman homes boast ornate base trim, crown molding, and wainscoting. These details add a touch of elegance and sophistication to the interiors. Arched doorways and detailed casings are a hallmark of traditional and craftsman styles, providing a sense of grandeur and history. Traditional and craftsman homes often feature deeper toned colors and ornate wallpaper with different colors used for each room to create a rich and varied visual experience. The roof structure of a traditional and craftsman home is usually busy, with pitched or A-line roofs and standard shingles. This adds to the home's traditional and sturdy appearance. Lighting in traditional and craftsman homes is typically ornate and grand, with features like chandeliers, ceiling sconces, and frosted glass fixtures. These elements enhance the home's classic charm and create a warm, inviting atmosphere. Now, let's look at modern contemporary homes. These homes prioritize engineered materials, which tend to be lower maintenance compared to natural materials. If you prefer a more hands-off approach to home maintenance, this style might suit you better. Countertops in modern and contemporary homes are often made from engineered materials like quartz, which offer a more uniform and simple pattern. These countertops are durable and require less maintenance than natural stone. Modern and contemporary homes favor uniform porcelain tiles, which provide a sleek and cohesive look. These tiles are easy to clean and maintain, making them a practical choice for busy homeowners. The cabinetry in modern and contemporary homes is minimalistic, with flat, paneled surfaces made from engineered materials like melamine. Glossy finishes and clean lines are key characteristics of this style. Large open windows are a defining feature of modern contemporary homes. These windows allow for ample natural light and create a seamless connection between the indoors and outdoors. Modern and contemporary homes typically have an open floor plan with rooms of varying sizes to maximize functionality. The stairs are often off-center, creating clean lines of sight throughout the home. There are typically no level changes, which contributes to the home's streamlined appearance. Trim and molding in modern and contemporary homes are simplified and minimalistic, providing a clean and unobtrusive look. Squared doorways without detailed casing are common in modern and contemporary homes, contributing to their sleek and modern aesthetic. Modern and contemporary homes favor neutral paint colors, with a uniform color scheme throughout the space. White or off-white are popular choices as they enhance the sense of openness and light. The roof structure of modern and contemporary homes is typically flat or with a parapet that will make the roof appear flat from ground level. Metal is used for flashing details, and the typical flat roof membrane gives the roof a smooth, uniform appearance. This contributes to the home's modern and minimalistic look. Lighting in modern and contemporary homes is minimalistic, with neutral colors and simple, clean lines. Modern sconces and fixtures complement the home's contemporary aesthetic. Finding the right home style is a personal decision that should reflect your tastes, lifestyle, and practical needs. On one hand, traditional and craftsman homes offer a warm, inviting atmosphere with natural materials and intricate details. On the other, modern and contemporary homes provide a sleek, low-maintenance living experience with clean lines and functional minimalistic design. By carefully considering the key features and design principles we've outlined, you can confidently choose the style that best suits you and your family. At AV Architects and Builders, we understand the importance of creating a home that not only looks beautiful, but also functions seamlessly for your lifestyle. Whether you are drawn to the timeless charm of a traditional Craftsman home or the simple elegance of a modern or contemporary design, our team is here to help you bring your vision to life. Thank you for watching. Check out our Learning Center linked in the description below for more home building tips, tricks, and insights. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.